Good morning, students. Today we'll see the different concept of probability and the different types of probability that are the zero probability, probability 1 and total probability. First of all, we'll see the definition of the probability. The probability of an event may be defined as the ratio of the number of cases in which the event occur to the total number of the cases. Probability of an event equals to number of cases in the event occur divided by the total number of events. Suppose an event can happen in A ways and fails to happen in B ways. Probability of happening the event equals to A upon A plus B, and the probability of failing event equals to B upon A plus B. Here A plus B represents the total number of equally likely possible ways. It should be noted that the sum of these two probabilities is always 1, since the event must either occur or fail. To evaluate the probability of a random event, we consider a unit of measurement. An event is called a sure event if it occurs in an experiment. Thus, the probability P of a random event lies between 0 and 1, that is, P lies between 0 and 1. This is further explained by the following experiment. The first experiment is throwing a coin. Suppose we toss a coin and either we get the head can come upward or the tail, that is, an event can occur in a total number of two equally likely ways. The number of ways in which the head can come up is only 1. Therefore, the probability that the head may come up is half. Similarly, the probability that the tail may come up is also half. Throwing a die. A die is a homogeneous, regular and balanced cube with 6 faces marked number of dots from 1 to 6 engraved on them. All outcomes are equally likely in a single throw of die. That of 6 possible results, only one is favorable for the appearance of 6 sports. In other words, the probability of any one face, say with number come up, is 1 by 6. The next of all possible outcomes can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probability of the die coming up with an even number is 3 by 6. As there are only 3 even numbers on the die, that numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, the probability of even number equals to 3 by 6, that is equals to half. Likewise, the probability of the die coming up odd number is 3 by 6 or 1 by half. The probability of the die coming up with any number less than 6 is given by probability of number less than 6 equals to 5 by 6. There are only 5 numbers, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are less than 6. Now we'll see the concept of zero probability, and for that if we want to know the probability of the die coming up face marked with a number 7, the die has only 6 faces serially from 1 to 6. There is no face marked as 7. Therefore, probability of appearing a number 7 is 0. And therefore, the probability of number uh, getting 7 is equals to 0 upon 6, that is equals to 0. This type of probability is called the zero probability. In other words, impossible events is always 0. Probability 1. The probability of appearing any number less than 7 is 1. This is big because all the 6 faces of the die are marked from 1 to 6, that is the numbers less than 7. The probability of number less than 7 is equals to 6 upon 6 equals to 1, as there are 6 numbers that are less than 7 that are 1 2 3 4 5 6, and therefore its probability is 1. Total probability. The next concept is the total probability. If A is a number of cases in which an event occurs A, and B is a number of cases in which event fails. Therefore, probability of occurrence of event equals to A upon A plus B, and probability of failing event is equals to B upon A plus B. The sum, that is total probability, is always 1, since the event may occur or fail. In this way, today we have seen the definition of the probability and the other 3 types of probability concepts, that are the zero probability, probability 1, and total probability. I think this is the enough part for probability. Therefore, we'll stop here today, and